Okay, over here, what we're looking at across the floor is the air duct going to deliver the north side of the house to these two registers. The air duct should not be on the floor like that. We have air duct on the floor over here. It's constricted with electric cables going across it. We've actually got air conditioning piping going over here, crimping the air duct there, coming on along. We're missing our insulation here, and we just put some black pookie on it. Look at that. That's pretty interesting. Let's see if we can get some light on the subject. Oh, it doesn't work. We don't have a protective cover, and it doesn't work. We don't have an unobstructed 24-inch walkway to the access place. It's a heat pump system. It's no, it's not properly suspended. Some of them, we got one solid tape right there. That's not solid tape. That's not solid tape. That's not solid tape. So it's not properly suspended like the other one. Just one proper strap does not do everything. We do have a care and use manual. There's the data plate. We got a shallow P-trap, no insulation. The inside of this pan looks like it's been sealed, maybe to cover some rust, but I can't see the rust. Shallow P-trap, not insulated. Secondary drain goes out. Okay, that's about all I can say about this. But I gotta tell you, I'm very nonplussed by the air conditioning duct and the way that it's routed. And over there we got a rain bucket. I heard somebody say new roof or whatever. No such thing as a new. It rained last night, so the roof's no longer new. By the way. Okay. So what did we learn? We learned that the indoor air handler, this is the upstairs unit, is not properly suspended. We learned that we got questions about, because it's obviously been sealed, so the drain pan has been resealed to cover what? Shallow P-trap, not insulated. Vents. Air duct on ground, on floor, air duct on floor. Air duct not properly insulated to the indoor air handler there. Walkway, we got wires. We've got everything in our way. I think this might be a bathroom vent. That's what that looks like right there, venting into the attic. Let's see. Or is it just, there's a little bit of debris up here. Are you loose or are you part of the whole deal? Yeah, just a little more character. They got character over there. They got a whole jar of character right over there. Just character. And here's one thing, because I don't know what I'm going to see. This is the second attic. I was in the attic over the outbuilding guest house, and then this is the upper attic. But right there, okay, I'm seeing looks like white paint. And if I see it downstairs, I'll explain it better. But white paint usually either means it's some kind of remediation, smoke or mold. Take your pick. Might want to find out what that's about.